An unbelievably beautiful blend with an amazing depth of color and an extraordinary glow. Hobbii Winter Glow is produced at an Italian spinnery that makes color combinations that are out of this world. The content of this yarn is 51% wool and 49% acrylic. The weight is 200 grams, that's 7.1 ounces, for 700 meters or 766 yards. We recommend using 4.5 to 5 millimeter needles, that's a US size 7 to 8, and the yarn weight is worsted. The yarn has a loosely spun structure with a slight variation in thickness, and it's very easy to work with. As your projects take shape, you will see layer upon layer emerging in a surprising and fascinating play of beautiful colors. The South American wool uses both warm and soft, therefore Winter Glow is suitable for projects such as ponchos, jumpers and cardigans, beanies, mittens, scarves, all with breathtaking colors to spice out any outfit. Otherwise, you can create a unique blanket since a single skein goes such a long way. We recommend hand washing this at 30 degrees Celsius or 86 Fahrenheit, and of course don't tumble dry it and dry flat instead. Enjoy Winter Glow!